Finally, we're going to talk about what you can expect from the work intake process. So what can you expect from the process? This process is designed to be thorough. We want to understand how your project will fit within Nu Skin's objectives, goals, priorities, strategy, and technology ecosystem. If there's an urgent need, this can be discussed and priority focus can be applied. Finally, it is important to note that once your request has been approved, it does not guarantee that work will begin immediately. Your request will be added to a backlog where it will wait to be roadmapped and then planned in quarterly and sprint planning. So how does the approval process work? Well, the EPMO oversees the entire work intake process. A project manager, like me, will shepherd, guide, and where necessary, nag the request through a series of gates seen here. In the EPMO gate, the project manager will review the request for accuracy and content. This may require a meeting with the requester and/or project sponsor. The PM will also work with finance, CX, and legal to ensure the request is valid and meets Nu Skin standards. Once approved from the EPMO, the request will be reviewed by the Gate 0 team. Here, representatives from programs, products, platforms, and promotions will assess the request. They will be reviewing the request details to ensure alignment with overall Nu Skin objectives, goals, and priorities, as well as with the business priorities and strategy. Once the Gate 0 team approves, the request will be evaluated by the Gate 1 team. Here, it will be determined if the technology team is able to perform and support the work. Once it has been approved by Gate 1, the request moves to Gate 2. Here, the technology architects will learn all they can about the request, including meeting with the requesters to gain a full understanding of the project. They will endeavor to draft an architectural design, which will be reviewed by the Architectural Review Board, Information Security, and Data Privacy teams. They will also establish the scope and technical dependencies as well as the high-level resources needed. Once Gate 2 has approved, the request will move to Gate 3. Here, the request will either be converted to a project by a program manager or it will have an epic created in Jira. These projects, or epics, will be added to the appropriate backlogs and the request is handed off to the program managers and product owners to move forward toward development. This concludes our training on the technology work intake process. If you need any help or if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact globalpmo@nuskin.com. Thank you for your time and attention.